with this West 2 Facebook Live update. I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Vanolfi. Hope you guys are having yourself a good Tuesday here. Wednesday. We certainly have some warm weather out there today, and we certainly are expecting more warm weather tomorrow. So we're going to break that down here for everybody in just a second. The big developing story, of course, is this right here. Big storm system now cranking up. Spring storms can bring snow, severe weather, and we've got a little bit of everything tonight across the United States. Got snow there in the upstate of New York. We got snow there in Minneapolis. We got severe weather tonight from East St. Louis back towards Paducah, Kentucky, Memphis, Tennessee, just to mention a few. Sarah Walsh, Denise Andrews popping in, saying, hey, Blair Lombardi, Brandon Frederick, Diana Radnor, Greta Chavez, Mikey Long. The whole group is in the house tonight. Appreciate you guys popping in and saying hi. We're going to tackle what may be headed our way here in just a second. A couple more shout-outs. Brenda, Patty, Seabeers Garcia, Diana Knotts, Connie Santos, Minneapolis snow. Yeah, Diana, no doubt. Winters are long up there. Diane, good to have you there. Danielle. Big group in here tonight, man. We're killing it. You guys are rocking it. There's our storm system right here. The upper level features right near the Oklahoma-Kansas line, and that's continuing to lift off to the north and the east. And look at all these tornado watches. Boom! From southern Illinois, severe thunderstorm warning in Kentucky, tornado watch there in Tennessee, Alabama, Mississippi, the far western tip there of Florida over towards Nolens and Mobile Bay. So again, a very potent storm system there. Mike Long, Brian, Wanda Hamilton, good to have you folks in here tonight. Always appreciate you all popping in and saying hi. There's the enhanced perspective, and notice that the strongest storms appear to be right there from Jackson to New Orleans and headed over towards Mobile. Yeah, pretty ferocious looking stuff right there. Now, we look at the water vapor channel, and you can see a little bit of that V notch there, right in this corridor, and that's usually a signature of some ongoing severe weather. There's your V. You got that upper level divergence, you got the low level inflow, so classic signature for severe weather right there. Joanne Clendance, Wanda Garcilaso, Kathy Williams, Spencer Rake, Church Street Station, Port Orange, Kentucky, Brittany Fischetti. The whole gang is in the house. All right, so let's take a look at all the impacts of this storm. Today, pretty breezy here. Still some recent wind gusts down there in Brevard and Flagler County, 25 to 30 miles an hour. And because of that, we do have wind advisories up for Brevard and Marion County. We had red flag warnings there earlier. Ingrid Brownlee, good to have you there, Miss Ingrid. Connie Santos, Laverne Brown, Kristen Kustra, not Karen Kustra. Moderate fire danger index for tomorrow. Rip current risk for our spring breakers is going to be running a little bit on the high side. So here's the deal. We're going to take that storm system, Lucy and Tara Lynn and Spencer, and let me play this out, because there's some pretty big differences between the two models here as far as intensity. So this is our graph extended forecast. Let me go through this nice and slow for everybody. Thomas Perry, Chris Cognitor, Juanita Webb White, Tara Lynn Tootle. It was hot out there today. So there's Thursday, most of the day looking good. Start getting to 4 or 5 o'clock, showers and storms. Moving into Marion County, 8 o'clock. Storms approaching Leesburg, kind of falling apart though on approach to the Orlando area, but picking up very early Saturday morning across the central Florida peninsula, and kind of lingering for a good chunk of the day on Friday. So that's one model. Now, this model is producing some decent rain. Chad Lloyd, County Santos, very windy. Yep, Joanna Gristo, pretty darn windy, says Chad. There it is. So the graph model, again, through Thursday, 30 evening. 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 has more north and west. Now, let's take a look at the HRRR, the H wharf. When is at 12 in Daytona Beach? 12. There you go. Thank you, Angie. Ashley, Janine from Orlando. Phil Rath is in the house. Phil, good to have you there. All right, so here's a look now at the HRRR. You just texted me. Yes. Yeah, there it is. There's Thursday. So the graph also coming in about 5 o'clock. But the graph, not the graph, the HRR keeps that line together through the entire area. It's a bit more pronounced right through the early morning hours on Friday. And when you take a look at the rainfall amounts with the HRRR, there you go. It's a bit more aggressive. There you go. So it's got more rain, north and west and south and east with a little bit of heating there. So when you take a look at that, there's the Euro. Euro has the first wave weakening and then redeveloping towards daybreak on Friday. There you go. Now, as far as the severe risk is concerned, on a scale of 1 to 5, there could be an isolated severe storm. Nicole Goucher, Daniel, D-Lynn. D-Lynn, hope you're doing well, girl. Thinking about you there. Hope the family's hanging in there. Mireya Barrios, Nicole Goucher from Lady Lake, Nikki G, Miss Team Leader at Walmart. Thanks for popping in and saying hi. High Resolution Rapid Refresh Model, HRRR, Brian. Gail Copeland, Ormond Beachside looking like a... Yes. Sunday might not be bad up by you, though. Fabuloso. Well, you might need Fabuloso Saturday. Hopefully Sunday you'll be using the sunscreen. Mike Long, lucky picture of Elvis. Melinda Sandberry, good to have you there. Gerardo Lopez has popped in. Let's see here. Brenda Burke has popped in. That's right, D-Lynn. You got it. Elijah Seitz, Marna Hendershot, Joanne Clendinst, and Gerardo Lopez. So there's, again, north and west could have a few stronger storms. Heavy rain also, a distinct possibility. Not just Thursday night and Friday, but also again on Saturday with the front nearby. I'm going to break that down for you all here in a second, so hang tight. There's Thursday night, there's Friday. And then on into Saturday, you can see those yellow impact icons, meaning that the showers and storms will begin to impact your any outdoor activities, and you may want to restructure them, change them up, change your plans. The other thing I wanted to show you here was the comparison between the Euro and the GFS models. Denise, yep. Steve, good to have you there. Amelia Island, how about that, Steve? Good to have you there, my friend. Jeff Grodzicki, excuse me. And Nicole McDonald Van Treese from Apopka's in the house. Pammy Aller has popped in. She says we need a good thunderstorm. Rick Tays, looking forward to the rain, not the storms. Yep. Get well, Gerardo. Laverne, you too. Take care. Marty, you're too kind. Thank you so much. Look at the Euro and look at the GFS. Look at the rainfall amounts. And you can see both still pretty impressive, but the Euro's even more impressive. So that's what we're going to be watching there. All right, let's take a look at some events going on here now. The attractions, 80, 91, 88. Nikki Kelly's in the house. Patty Del Negro. Rebecca Cunningham. Teresa Watkins. Man, the whole gang is in the house tonight. Mary, don't forget, guys, sharing is caring. The more people we can reach by you guys sharing these models, the more people we can put in the weather. No, Mary Lou, come share away. Derek, come share away. Juanita, appreciate you guys. All right, Epcot looking good tomorrow. Watching the Radar Northwest late. Daytona Beach for the Spring Breakers. Here's what I got. Late day showers and storms start arriving. The Boat and Beach forecast. Nelson Costa, Orrin Meredith. Not looking that way right now, but we'll watch the trends during the day there for you tomorrow. Boat and Beach forecast. Gusty southeast winds. Rip risk is going to be moderate seas, 4 to 6 feet, 7 seconds swell. Kona coffee, yes. Brian, I don't like to use tropical storm force winds with regular storm systems. I just call them severe winds. Lenora from the Philippines has popped in, so it avoids confusion, Brian. So there you go. There's the Boat and Beach southeast 20 to 25. Can't wait for this. Soup it is, says Ero. William Chamberlain. Greg Leanish. Yes, rain is definitely in the picture for the next few days. So the UV index, by the way, tomorrow does look good. High, I should say. So you want to make sure you put that sunblock on. Arlevia Lee Kelly, good to have you there. Appreciate you popping in and saying hi. Forecast highs for tomorrow. Check this out. 81 degrees. South-southwest winds 15 to 25, gusting to 30. Allie Rose, Miss Rose, good to have you there. Jojo Hernandez is in the house. Kona beer. Brenda Burke, you were too kind. Good to be back. Greg, good to have you back in the house, by the way. Is it permanent or is it temporary? Talk to me, Goose. Your records for tomorrow are 95, 92, 88, 90, 91. Leesburg does have a chance to tie or break its record high. Pollen, it's going to be high tomorrow, but notice Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. With that rain around, we are talking about lowering pollen counts. Love that. Mikey Long's popped in. Candy Wisniewski's popped in. Lovella. Dave, who's winning the game, by the way? So there we go. Run Disney, 5K. I think it's on TNT, Dave. Latino Wedding. Jenny Sands Carson has popped in. Woo! Tracking rain. Look at those temps in the 70s for that race right there. Booyah. Falcon launch Friday. Transporter 4. 1-1. Oh, okay. Thanks, Dave. It is on TNT. Yeah. Missed the cold weather. William, we're not done with the cool weather. We might get one more shot of some cool weather here right around the 9th or 10th of April. I'll show that to you here in a second. There's Saturday. Fronts lifting back to the north. Another front arrives on Sunday. That will hopefully begin to change the environment here. Marisol Mello, good to have you in the house there. Mikey Long's popped in. Race for the taste, the 10K, Epcot and the Broadwalk. Saturday morning, showers around. Temps will be in the upper 60s. Let me do something here on that. Let's do this. Actually, let's do this. Hang on a second. J.C. Barber. J.C. Barber. J.C. Barber. J.C., what have you been up to, big dog? You doing okay? There, all set. Stacy Bruno, hola to you. Blair Lombardi Lips. Sharing is caring. You guys rock stars. All right. Sunday morning, with that next front arriving, more showers around, a few degrees cooler in the mid 60s. Let's take a look at next week. So, major front kind of washes on out, gets hot on Tuesday. We get the sea breezes going, and we get a collision on the eastern side of the peninsula. Be weather smart, everyone. Good night. Yes, Ricky, you tell him. Janice Pion, saying hi from Vieira, Florida. Love you in the West. Vieira. We love you, Vieira. Janice, what's cooking, girl? Janice, this is not your first time on my Facebook Live, is it? Ashley's in the house. Daphne's in the house. Who else? We got a lot of people in here tonight, in and out. I love that. There we go. Daphne seems like it's one. It's just this week has been breezy. Yesterday and today anyway, and tomorrow again. Donna Gibson went to William Floyd High School. Now works at Publix. Donna Gibbs, Wow, there you go. Friday AM to land. Showers. Yeah. Oh man, a little contact issue here. All right. Boom. All right, let's take a look at the euro. Here's what the euro is forecasting. Vicky Hill. Beverly Wells, good night, and God bless to you too, Brenda Burke. Look at that. Look at the euro. Look at the yellows and the oranges. Wowza. That is a lot of rain. A lot of rain. Here's the GFS model. Check it out. Boom. There's the GFS. There it is. Now, GFS. Deltona looks wet in the afternoon. I'm in the house. Says when? Keith Simpson. Ah, Keith. What's going on? Why not? Why aren't you coming down? You getting snowed out up there? Talk to me. Give me the scoop. I want to know what's going on. Why aren't you coming down? Talk to me. Talk to me. All right, we got there. David. Well, that is weird. All right, so yeah, there's the GF rainfall. All right, so somebody wanted to see the Caribbean. So here's what I got for you. Water vapor channel. A lot of fronts, a lot of movement here. So when you get that, you don't have too many issues. So we're not expecting any issues right now. Here's a look at the water temperatures. You can see still a little cool in the Gulf of Mexico, but it's starting to see that warmer water come up out of the Caribbean into the southern Gulf and the eastern side of the peninsula. So yeah. All right. 7-day. Here you go. There it is. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Rain chances going up on Friday, Saturday, and Thursday evening. There you go. Late Sunday, north looks better. Linda Cook. Linda Lusky, she finally, Linda Crook. Good to have you here, young lady. Pleasure to have you in here. Took you a while, but we still love you. You can see, so going from the low 90s into the low 80s for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, and even Tuesday. Nicole Molina, Mikey Long, Michelle Attardi, Yvonne Power. Good group in here. All right, so now temps up north. Somebody wanted to know about that. Cold. Look at Sioux Falls, Minneapolis. 20s and 30s. 20s and 30s. And then warm air all the way up into Ohio, but that is not going to last very long with this front that's coming on through. Now, snowpack has picked up here across the upper Midwest with this most recent storm system, and it's still coming down up there in Minnesota. Maria Sophia, good to have you there. There you go. Yvonne Power, happy birthday to you. Good night, Mike, from Terry Lottie. There you have it. Cold temperatures. Yes, indeed. There it is. 1 below in Point Barrow, 9 below in Inuvik, Baker Lake, 4 below, Iqaluit, Iqaluit, 27 above. Tell me there was so many restrictions to get back. Here we go. All right, I got you. Maybe next year. There you go. Fort McMurray 46, Winnipeg 30, Moosonee 28, Worcester. There you go, Diane. Maria Sophia, that's correct. 29 in Sioux Falls, 28 Moosonee, 57 Dallas, Monterey 93, Belize City coming in at 82, Caracas 81, Bogota 59, Buenos Aires 57, Punta Arenas 48, Madagascar 63, Niamey 84, Rabat Morocco 57, Oslo 27, Moscow 21, Surgut, a lot of cold air up there in Northern Europe and Asia, 10 above in Ulaanbaatar, and then 16 in Yakutsk. There we go. Sapporo 41. As you can see right there. Look at Urkumi 34. Beijing 43. Sapporo coming in at 41 degrees. 41. Shanghai 54. And Hong Kong, 59. 59 in Hong Kong, right there. Manila, 86. Darwin, 88. There it is. Auckland, 72. Adelaide 64, and Perth coming in at 72 degrees. So 77, signs of some fall now down under in southern Australia. So yeah, there we go. It's a good thing, right? Cool them down. Denise, Yvonne's got a birthday. Cheryl Negrani, Dad's hanging in there, Cheryl. Thank you for asking. Candy, you have a great night too. All right, so one more time. Go through the severe weather thing here real quick. Surgery tomorrow at 5:30. We got you, Linda. We got you, girl. Look at all those tornado watches. Prayers for you. Prayers for you. Tuscaloosa, Memphis, Jackson, Mississippi, Mobile. This line of storms is moving quickly. So for us, again, little differences in the intensity. Timing looks okay. 5, 6, 7, Marion, 9, 10, 11. Along I-4, that's our graph model. And then the HRR, high resolution rapid refresh, shows, there it is, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, midnight, 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. Right there, some showers and some storms that we will be watching. So that's that. And we'll just have to wait and see how this one plays out. All right, let me wrap it up here with a look at the updated 7-day forecast. And as you can see, again, storms will be around Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. That means we'll keep the chance in for one or two of them to be strong. These storms will likely impact any of your outdoor plans Friday and Saturday. So some of that rain can be locally heavy, so we want you to keep an eye on it with us and just keep checking back in. We'll keep you posted on things. And for now, that's it. I'll have an update tonight at 10 on the CW18 and then again at 11 on West 2 News. Have a wonderful night, and I will talk to you guys tonight or Facebook Live tomorrow night. See you.